How to clear the cache on Roblox on your Windows computer for Windows 11 and Windows 10 as well. So this should help you fix any startup errors or issues with Roblox. First, you will need to search for Roblox in your start menu, and then right click on the Roblox app or Roblox player and open the file location, and then go back to the app data folder from the top here, or you can easily open it by right click on the start button, open the run command, type %temp, %, and press enter, and it should open up this folder right here. Next, you will need to find Roblox folder, so click on any folder and press R, and it should take you to folders named with R, and you can find here the Roblox folder, or you can search for it from the search bar here. Now right click on the Roblox folder and click on delete to delete the folder. Make sure that Roblox is closed, otherwise you might not be able to remove the folder. Now this is safe to delete because these are temporary cache files. Next, you will need to search for Roblox again. Right click on the Roblox app or player and run it as administrator, and that should fix any issues and clear your cache on Roblox. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.